Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off the screen touches in screen recording. So first you should go to the settings and go to the display section. Now just tap to the advanced options and scroll down to the screen record section. Go there, and here we got the record touch points switcher. Just tap on the switcher to activate this function, and now you will see when you'll record your screen, you will make your screen recording, you'll see your touches. And if you want to just turn it off, tap on the switcher again, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.